We are going to Earth soon. Let's go. Earth is the biggest planet in history. So now we're going back to the sun. Hope you enjoy it. Jupiter. Jupiter again. I think I'm going back to the sun now. Let's go. Let's go back to the sun. Mercury. Pluto. Neptune. Sun, sun, sun. Let's go to Mars. Come on, Mars, let's go. Mars is very hot now. Mars is very hot. Now we've got to go back to the sun. The sun is very hot and hot and hot. Venus is very hot too. But I hope you liked it. Bye. And also, we keep going with the sun because we really like the sun. And the sun is really good for fresh air, hot air, and go to the beach. Thanks for watching. Bye.